Hi hungry ones! Today I'm going to show you how to make the infamous Dalgona coffee, and you're going to see me fail trying to do a Dalgona mocha coffee as well. Let's have some fun! So for those who don't know, Dalgona coffee is kind of very trendy on TikTok. It's a coffee that you make with like instant coffee grains and sugar and water whipped in the same amount until it becomes like a super frothy magical thing. It works because the coffee crystals turn into like a stabilizer for the mixture. It is super cool. I've done that at home before. You can make a lot of it and freeze, so it is very nice. It is delicious. I already know that, but I want to know if I can put some cocoa inside this concoction and make it unique. Maybe. Let's see if it works. Oh boy, wish me luck. So, 3 tablespoons of the coffee crystals. I'm going to do 2 of the sugar. I'm going to use powdered sugar instead of like sugar crystallized normal one because I want this to be very smooth. 2 of this. I was going to do 1 of cocoa, but I'm afraid it won't rise enough. So I'm going to do like a little bit less than 1, like this, especially because chocolate is quite strong. And now water. So in the Dalgona coffee is usually like 2 tablespoons of the coffee crystals, 2 of the sugar, and 2 of the water. Since we have like 4 tablespoons of things, I'm going to put 4 of water as well. Wish us luck. Let's begin. It's not turned on, so let's turn it on. Now it's supposed to work. Oh hi! So, it's been 11 minutes that this is whisking and I have bad news. So this is how it looks. Can you see how it has like bigger bubbles? This is not how it's supposed to be. I'm pretty sure this will still be like a lovely thing for you to make like a quick coffee in the morning, like just whisking it with milk, but it's not what I wanted. So here we have our failed Dalgona mocha coffee with some oat milk. It tastes delicious. It is everything I expected with the taste, it's just not what I wanted with the texture. But I'm not gonna leave you hanging and I'll show you how you can make your real Dalgona coffee. Let's make the real Dalgona coffee now. The same amount of coffee crystals. 1, 2, 3. The same amount of sugar. So 1, 2, not being too scientific here, but it's fine. The same amount of water. So 1, 2, and 3. Let's begin. Look at how beautiful this is. It took around like 5 minutes for it to get to this point of fluffiness, but look at this. Oh my god, where am I? Oh, here. Oh hi. I don't know how to film with my left hand. Look at this. It's super firm. Okay, so I've done this before, so I know how it tastes. It tastes delicious. But if you're going to do this at home and you really enjoy coffee, I would suggest doing it. I would suggest doing it with decaf, because this is very delicious and you're going to have like a huge caffeine high. So let's put some of this. Look how light and fluffy it is. Look at this. Since this freezes well and it goes well with other stuff, I would definitely suggest that you do more than the amount that I did, and then just leave it in the freezer for when you're wanting something like that. It's so good. I'm gonna have such a caffeine high today. I would suggest like just start mixing it, but don't really, you know, just so you have a little bit of foam and some of the milk has the coffee taste. Yeah, I can drink this all day. I don't recommend if it has caffeine. So it's been a few days and I thought I would show you a few things. The first one is how I am making Dalgona mocha coffee. It's with some chocolate milk and the Dalgona foam on top. And it is This is basically a dessert. And also let me show you how the foam stays after it freezes. As you can see, it becomes like this very kind of firm, foamy thing. I enjoy putting it on top of warm milk. It is quite delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed it and hope you're having a good time at home as far as it's possible. And see you next time. Bye!